Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for, what is it? Tuesday, August the 1st, first day of August. Where's the summer going? My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. This is the address to get into the room, and any questions, you can fire them to info@trade-ideas.com. This is a subscription link with the promo code that's currently available. It's about 15%, well, it's not about, it is 15% off. Works out to about $4.40 a day for our premium service. A little over $2 for our standard service. I open the room at about 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and I get live on the mic to 9:05. All right, well, there was a lot of action today. Unfortunately, I missed a lot of the really good trades. It's just one of those days. I was kind of all over the place a little bit, answering emails, following things. I probably have too many windows open right now. So unfortunately, that's what can happen. Just want to go over this one trade right here, the fossil trade. This was something I got into yesterday as a swing, FOSL, and I took it at, I think it was 11:32. Did pop up to 11:41. Excuse me. As it came back down, I decided to get out of the trade. And I think it has earnings. Yeah, it has earnings 5 days from now. The retail sector was really strong yesterday, but it just didn't have the same sort of follow through today. So got out of that trade basically flat. UAA was a little frustrating for me because I looked at this, another earnings play. I think they beat on revenues. I think they beat on their guidance, or not their guidance, but the earning EPS. But they also have chopped, I think it was 700 jobs. Anyway, you could tell right there, though, there's the pre-market action, very up and down, choppy. But on this opening candle, I thought, man, this looks like it could be very weak. So I ended up shorting it down, I think about 1838, right about here. It did pop down, but then it came right back up, and I took a small loss, and I got out at 1850. Moved all the way up here. As I said in the room, had these topping tails been a little more taller, again, what the topping tails, signify that the buyers were taking it up, and then the sellers would bring it right back down. Had they been a little bit higher, I may have decided to short this one. Anyway, in retrospect, obviously would have been a better short, a good short from here all the way down. Going to watch this one tomorrow, see if it takes out 18 at all. I'm still in a trade right now, PDCO. It is really not doing too much. I am in this one. I am short this one at 40.85. It's just kind of hanging here. It is not an earnings play, but I looked at this one. Obviously, a big downturn. Some bottoming tails there. The buyers tried to take over. Again, the sellers knocked it down. A little bit of an upturn. Decided to take it just underneath the whole number. See what happens. It's been pretty boring so far. Not that many in the float. 95 million, on a $48 stock is not too much. Anyway, we'll see what happens. It's probably more like a scalp trade for me, because I think the next low, looking left, I think it's around 40.60 something. But if it ever broke down through there, may really have something going for it. Talking about the ones that I missed. This is one, MEDP. Saw this one, in fact, yeah, this is the 15-minute. Mentioned this one right here. Look at that volume burst right there. It is an earnings play. And the problem is that the spread was really, really tough at certain points. I mean, it expanded, 50, 60 cents. And, it wouldn't have mattered so much if you know that it's going to move $2 or $3. But, you just never know. And I just could not bring myself to chase it. But boy, is this ever a great earnings play. If you look at the daily chart, you can see that it wiped out all this, and now it's sitting up here. This is one I will watch tomorrow. Maybe the spread will tighten up. Maybe it won't be quite as volatile, but it might challenge this level. Who knows? Maybe it'll even challenge it today. And let's see. Yeah, that's about it. I know, I alerted people a lot to Hertz. A lot of people to Hertz on a 14 break. Right about here on a 14 break, these bottoming tails. I know a lot of people took that one. And what else do we have? That's true. I did get into Thomson Reuters. Thomson Reuters is an earnings play. Did take the trade. Forgot about this one. Took the trade at 48.23. Did pop all the way up to 48.58. Was really hoping it would keep going. If you look at the daily chart, I don't think there's very much resistance. Yeah, you look left, there was no resistance. I was really hoping that this on this breakaway daily gap that it would keep going. Just didn't do that. Took some out at 48, right at 48.50 actually, and then on the way down, basically flat. So not too of an exciting day for me. Does not mean there weren't a lot of exciting trades, but it just one of those days that I just was a little bit late on things. And but as I've always say, tomorrow's another day. We're right. So many earnings plays right now. They'll just keep. We'll have more and more as the weeks proceed. Eventually, they'll start drying up. But right now, it's a feast of earnings. All right, just want to close this down. And again, this is how to get into the room. This is the subscription link. Have any questions? Just fire away to info@trade-ideas.com. I'll open the room tomorrow at about 9 o'clock Eastern Time. And hope everybody has a great evening. And I will close this down right now. Bye-bye.